Your Audi Connect Plus subscription gives you access to many convenient services, including Wi-Fi. Once Wi-Fi is turned on, staying connected is simple. To begin, start with the vehicle on and in park, and the MMI screen turned on. From the home screen on the MMI, select Settings, Connection Settings, then Wi-Fi. Turning on the Audi MMI Wi-Fi should automatically activate your Wi-Fi hotspot. However, if it is not on or has been turned off, simply press the toggle to turn it on. With Wi-Fi active, you are now able to connect up to 8 compatible devices, such as smartphones and tablets, and configure your Wi-Fi preferences. To change your Wi-Fi hotspot settings, select it on the MMI touchscreen. From here, you can rename your access point or SSID or hotspot, and change the factory set password to one that's easier to remember. To rename your hotspot, select it on the upper MMI screen, then press and hold the back arrow to delete the factory set name. Use the lower MMI screen to type in your new hotspot name and press OK when you are done. Your new access point SSID hotspot name will now be displayed. Follow the same process to change your password. The vehicle will notify you if your password is too weak, very weak, weak, or strong. When you have input a password that you are satisfied with, press OK. From the Wi-Fi settings screen, you can also turn the Allow Data Connection through Wi-Fi function on or off. When it's on, connected mobile devices will be able to access the internet through your vehicle's Wi-Fi hotspot.